Everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you change and update profile photo on Tinder. So in order to change and update profile photo on Tinder, you need to follow these steps. So first of all, you want to open a Tinder app on your device and go to the profile page or click on the profile initials from the top of the page. So when you click on it, you could see this page where you could go ahead and click on the edit info section underneath. So after you click on the edit info or look for a pencil shape icon on the edit info button, usually located in the top right corner of your profile page, you could then go ahead and add a new photo, tap on the plus sign or add media button, and to replace the existing photo, tap on the photo that you want to change. After which you could select where you want to upload the photo from, such as phone's gallery or Facebook. And next, you want to follow the prompt to upload the photos and then drag and drop the photos to arrange them in your desired order. Once you're satisfied with your photo selection and arrangement, you could tap on the save button or the equivalent to finalize the changes. So that is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.